Welcome dear students to PNMR learning classes. Dear children, today we shall start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 14, kinds of sentences. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the kinds of sentences, how many kinds are there in a sentence. So first of all you have to see the picture given here. Look at the picture. Which group of words describes this picture completed? Here so many words are given. You have to find out which word describes the picture completely. To the beach in the evening. The family had gone to the beach in the evening. So you can see here some words are given, but the last sentence describes the picture completely, and it is given here. The family had gone to the beach in the evening. Yes, the last group of words that makes a complete sense, right? So in order to make complete sense, a sentence begins with a capital letter. Always to make a sentence complete or to make a complete sense, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. It has words placed in a proper order. Always you can see in a sentence the words are placed in its proper order. For example, you can see here, men to work went on to Sunday. So this sentence is not making a complete sense. It is a jumbled word and we cannot understand what it is written. So it makes no sense, therefore it is not a sentence. The men went to work on Sunday too. So the second sentence, it makes a complete sense. We can understand what is written in the sentence. Therefore it is a sentence. It always ends with a full stop, a question mark, or a mark of exclamation. Always when you see a sentence end with a full stop, or you can see it is having a question mark or a mark of exclamation. So what is a sentence and how the sentence is to be written, in which form? Always it begins with a capital letter. Second, it has the word that is placed in a proper order, and the third one, it always ends with a full stop, a question mark, or a mark of exclamation. Understood, children? Next is, we are going to learn about the kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. The first one is assertive or declarative sentence, that is a sentence which gives us statement. An assertive sentence is a sentence that states a fact or a statement. It states, asserts, or declares something. The sentence which declares something is known as an assertive sentence. For example, it is given here, the day is very hot. How is the day? The day is very hot. Mimi lives in a big cottage. Jayant is a painter. He paints very well, or you can say really well. So the sentence that states some facts, that is known as an assertive or a declarative sentence. Second one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence always gives a command. An imperative sentence is a sentence which gives a command, makes a request, or expresses a wish. Always an imperative sentence gives a command, it gives or makes a request, or expresses a wish. For example, you can see here, shut the door. We are saying to somebody that shut the door. It is known as an order. Please give me a glass of water. It is a request. Have a safe journey. It is a wish. So these 3 things come in imperative sentence. One is command, one is request, and one is wish. So the next one is the third one, interrogative sentence, or it is known to be a question type sentence. Sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. The sentence which asks questions always. That is, for example, what are you doing? Where do you study? These come in the category interrogative sentence, or you can say a question type sentence. The fourth one is exclamatory sentence. It is known as an exclamation mark type sentence. A sentence that expresses sudden and strong feelings such as surprise, wonder, pity, sympathy, happiness, or gratitude. This type of sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. The sentence which gives expressions like surprise, wonder, pity, sympathy, happiness, sadness, or gratitude. The feelings that expresses that type of sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. For example, you can say, hooray, we won the game. Oh no, I lost my purse. The different kinds of sentences make reading and writing more interesting. So children, we have completed the 4 kinds of sentences. The first one is the assertive or declarative sentence. The second one is imperative sentence. The third one is interrogative sentence, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Next, a passage is given. We have to do is we have to read this passage, and after reading this passage we have to complete the exercise given below from this passage only. So read this passage from the famous novel by Charles Dickens, A Christmas Carol. Scrooge's nephew was all in a glow. His face was ruddy and handsome. His eyes sparkled and his breath smoked again. Christmas, a humbug uncle said, Scrooge's nephew. You don't mean that, I am sure. I do, said Scrooge. Merry Christmas. What right have you to be merry? What reason have you to be merry? You are poor enough. Come, then returned the nephew gaily. What right have you to be dismal? What reason have you to be morose? You are rich enough. Get out of here, said Scrooge. What we have to do is we have to find out the 4 types of sentences from this passage, right? So the first one you can say an assertive sentence. I have written here, you are poor enough. It is regarding a statement. B, an interrogative sentence. What right have you to be merry? Or you can write, what reason have you to be merry? The third one is an exclamatory sentence. Christmas, a humbug uncle. Exclamation is given in a sentence, so that type of sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. An imperative sentence, it is get out of here, right? So from the above passage we have completed the exercise. You have to do this exercise in your textbook itself. Next one is assertive sentences can be further divided into affirmative and negative sentences. So assertive sentences are divided into 2 sentences that are known to be affirmative and negative. For example, you can see here, it is raining today. My name is Kashmira. This is a table. So these all sentences are known to be affirmative sentences because it is to be declared and said, it is raining. My name is this, and this is a table, or this is a chair, you can say. Next one is negative sentences. Negative sentences always have no, not, never in a sentence. The sentence which includes the words no, not, never, it is known to be a negative sentence. Examples are given here. It is not sunny today. That is not the dress I wanted. You have not done your work today. So you can see here, not is given in each sentence. Negative word is given. So it is known to be a negative sentence. So these are all negative sentences. So assertive sentences are divided into 2. One is affirmative and the other one is negative. Now look at these 2 sets of sentences. I am happy today. I am not happy today. The first one is the affirmative sentence and the second one is the negative sentence. Sheila is quite short. Sheila is not tall. So you can see the difference. The first one is the affirmative sentence and the second example is a negative sentence. Both these sets of sentences mean the same. First sentence is an affirmative sentence. The second sentence is a negative sentence. We can change an affirmative sentence into the negative by putting a negative and adding a negative prefix to the word or using the opposite of the word given in the affirmative sentence. So how we can change the affirmative sentences to negative sentence? By adding a negative prefix or a negative word or using the opposite word given in the affirmative sentence. So see here, don't worry, it is much easier than it sounds. Let us see the first set given above. We transformed I am happy to negative by writing I am not and then adding the prefix un to be word happy, right? In the second sentence, we transformed Sheila is quite short to the negative by writing Sheila is not and then replacing the word short by its opposite tall. So children, today we have completed kinds of sentences, what is a sentence and how a sentence is to be formed, and what are the types of sentences and how an affirmative sentence can be changed into negative sentence and how a negative change into an affirmative sentence. Hope you like this video, children. Thank you. stay home, stay safe.